I will be making animation that cuts up text. Let's get to it right away. Text typing. Increase the font size. Text align. It looks somewhat stifling because the texts are clustered too closely. You can adjust spacing of the text with advanced option, and I find it convenient. Open the illustration, choose the sword that you like. Command C, Command V, Command rotate. Then, sword is inserted like this. Shall we change it into slightly more classic font? Although it may be hard to believe, my plan is to cut this text. The feeling of splitting it as the sword is inserted. Copy slide. I will make it similar to the alphabet O by taking out the figure. I will go slowly so you can try it too. We're working on turning text into shapes. Here, click Arrange at the top right. You need to click the buttons I click. Hold is made in the figure, hasn't it? Draw the figure into the shape you want to cut out. Click exactly as I do. You get the feel of it now, don't you? Edit the text by following the format I use. Text align. Grouping with alphabet N. Grouping with alphabets D, R, A, G. What do you think? Unbelievable thing happened, hasn't it? Copy slide. Move the sword by moving to the slide 3. Then, insert it into the slide 4. Shall we move the text a bit as well? Good. I will be connecting the slides 3 and 4 with Magic Move. I will now draw small pieces. Draw each of them in the direction you want. I will speed up a bit. If you want to change the shape of the figure, click Point Edit after having clicked the right side of the mouse. You have to continually bring the sword to the front. Cope with the slide 3. Hide above the text. Adjust the transparency of the figure to make it easier to see. Command rotate. Good. Let's draw the eyes of the dragon as well. It is same as the format we just used. Oops, I forgot to adjust it exactly the same. Copy with the slide 3. I will try something more special. How was this? It became slightly more dynamic, hasn't it? Cope with the slide 3. I made animation for cutting up text. Contact me at any time if you have any further inquiries on Keynote. Moreover, if you need further assistance in using Keynote, you can send me your inquiries through email as well. I will upload the link for the tutorial I made so that you can use it whenever you want.